A man withdrew some money from a bank. He spent 3/10 of the money on his daughter's fees and 3/5 of the remainder on his son's school fees. If he remained with Kenya shillings 10,500, calculate the amount of money he spent on son's school fees. So first we have daughter. Fee ambayo ni 3/10. Second we have son ambayo fee yake ni 3/5 of the remainder. So kama msichana ametumia fee yake ni 3/10, the remainder, how do you get the remainder? The remainder is 10/10 minus 3/10 ambayo inakupea 7/10. That's what is the remainder. So of 7/10. So this one is equal to 21/50. So school fees for the son is 21/50. So how do you get the remainder? What is remaining now after spending? Ukishaweka fee ya msichana, fee ya son ni ngapi nabaki? So ni 3/10 plus 21/50. Hii itatupea 18/25. Tumia calculator unapata 18/25. Haijalishi ama uweke LCM. So what is remaining? It was 25 original, sasa imekuwa 25/25 minus 18/25. Now this is what we call the remaining money. That's what is remaining. This one will give us 7/25. That is what is remaining. But we are told that if he remained with Kenya shilling, so this 7/25 ndio hii imebaki. So 7/25 is equal to what is remaining? 10,500. What about the school fees of the son? Son ni 21/50. So unauliza 21/50 itakuwa ngapi? So unaandika ni 21/50 times 10,500 times the reciprocal of this. The reciprocal hii 25 inakuja juu, 7 inakuja chini. 25/7. And this one will give us shilling 15,750 Kenya shilling. Solve for x. Wakati umepewa hesabu kama hii, angalia the smallest base. The smallest base ni 3. Make others to base 3. Lakini ukiangalia 108 you cannot make it to base 3. So hiyo unawachana nayo, una make base 3 9 peke yake. So 9 is the same as 3 raised to power 2. Lakini kuna power ingine hapa 2x plus 1 plus 3 2x plus 1 is equal to 108. Open this one, itakuwa 3 2x plus 2 then plus 3 2x plus 1 is equal to 108. Kwa so nataka uelewe kwamba ukiandika hii namba namna hii, it simply means like this. Three 2x plus 2. Hii namba ni nini? This number is exactly the same as 3 2x times 3 raised to power 2. So wakati tulikuwa tunasoma indices, tulisema this and this are the base, these are the bases and this is the power. We call them indices, the index. When the index are the same, what do you do? Unachukua index moja, that is 3. If the bases are the same, you take one base. Kwa sababu ni multiplication, what do we do with the indices? We add. So let us add it. So base moja ni 3 and then it is 2x. Because it is multiplication, we add 2. Kwa hivyo unaona hii inarudi hapa. So inamaanisha ukiwa hapa lazima uje kurudi huku. So this one is simply 3 2x times 3 raised to power 2, and then plus 3 raised to power 2x times 3 raised to power 1 equal to 108. So you should be aware of that. So ukifika hapa, kwa sababu 108 hatuwezi andika in terms of 3, itatupea stress, hatuiguzi. Na ukifika hapo unaona kuna 3 raised to power 2x, 3 raised to power 2x. You introduce let, you say let 3 raised to power 2x be even y. Kwa hivyo mahali popote ambapo kuna 3 raised to power 2x weka y. So hapa itakuwa y times 9 because 3 square is 9 plus y times 3, the answer will be 108. So itakuwa y times 9 itakuwa 9y plus 3y itakuwa 12y is equal to 108. 12y is equal to 108. So it means y itakuwa 108 divided by 12, na hiyo itakupea 9. Itakupea 9. But we said that y equal to 3 raised to power 2x, and this y is also equal to 9. So 3 2x will be equal to 3 raised to power 3. Now the bases are raised to power 2. 9 is equal to 3 raised to power 2. Now the bases are the same. You ignore the bases. We will have 2x is equal to 2. You divide it by 2, divide it by 2. So the value of x equal to 1. The volume of two similar solid spheres are 4752 centimeters cube and 1408 centimeters cube. If the surface area of the smaller sphere is this, find the surface area of the larger sphere. So what we have here is volume scale factor. So from here we will have what we call volume scale factor. So volume scale factor will be equal to the volume of the big divided by volume of small. So this one gives us 4752 divided by 1408. This one will give us the volume scale factor, which is 27/8. So that one gives us the volume scale factor. Volume scale factor. But what we want first, let us get the linear scale factor. From the volume scale factor tutapata kitu inaitwa linear scale factor. We know this one is equal to volume scale factor cube root. Kwanza unafaa kujua kwamba linear scale factor cube equal to volume scale factor. Linear scale factor cube will give us volume scale factor. Sasa kama tuko na volume scale factor, tutapata aje linear scale factor? Tuna find the cube root, tunapata hii. Sawa? So meaning linear scale factor itakuwa 27/8 the cube root of that. So that means it is going to be 3/2, and that is the volume, the linear scale factor. Now, kwa nini tunatafuta linear scale factor? Tunajua kwamba linear scale factor square will give us area scale factor. Linear scale factor square will give us area scale factor. Sasa hii itatusaidia kutafuta area ya hiyo kubwa, ya hiyo sphere kubwa. Tuko na area of small, ndio hii. So tunaenda kusema area scale factor equal to the area of big over area of small. but area of tuko nayo sasa, linear scale area scale factor itakuwa nao 9/4, the square of linear, the square of this. Unaelewana? Yes. Linear scale factor square itatupea area scale factor, na nimefanya hivyo. Linear ni 3/2, so area itakuwa 9/4. This one will be equal to the area of the big, which is x, we don't have, over area of small. Area of small ni 352. Sawa? So tuna cross multiply, itakuwa ni 9 times 352 will be equal to 4x. Will be equal to 4x. Now we divide by 4 both sides. This means that x is equal to 792 centimeters square. And that is it.